What's poppin', team? Run It Up. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. First, let's jump into a little bit of some Run It Up news. Alright, so before I uploaded this video, I realized an hour ago CNN dropped an article on recall announcement for certain onions due to salmonella outbreak. Okay, yeah, so be careful about those onions. I suggest all you guys check that out and make sure you do not get your customers sick. And then for you door dashers, we have another article here, something about drive-thrus all screwed up. It may be hard to fix them. So for a lot of you guys that's out here doing the dash, the door dashers, the dashers out, yeah, I don't think you guys go through drive-thrus. But if you eat at these fast food restaurants, I suggest you not go through the drive-thru because they are all messed up. However, there is an article right here that says deadly disease linked to fast food. Okay, so you guys that dash might want to check this one out. By the way, quick thing I want to let y'all know, my last video I uploaded got a copyright strike because I used music in my video. You guys know I use music in my videos, but I had the license to use the song, but YouTube wanted to do a copyright strike for it or send me a copyright letter or whatever they do. So, you know, it just freaked me out. So when they sent that, I took off the video and I was gonna upload the video again. And then I thought to myself, I don't know, maybe this is just a sign, like too many haters is watching. But yeah, I took it as a sign, and honestly, I didn't really feel like re-uploading it and bouncing it again. I kinda got mad. What's poppin'? Hey, we back with another video. Look, this one is just you see the title, right? You see the title. Let's just dive right in to it without even like doing anything else. I know the video says 200, but come on, y'all, cut me a break. Cut me a break. This is one video. We about what? $1.50 away? Come on, like, look, you know what I'm saying? Right, $200. Y'all see that, right? Look, here's the first batch right here. Boom. Look at that. Look at that batch. 136. That 136 there was a lot of items there. There was 171 units on that 136. So yeah, that was a little long right there. And then hold on. And then right after that, boom boom, 62. Now, that put me at what? It put me at 198.56. 2 hours of work, and basically made almost $200. Now, obviously, for the trolls out there, this doesn't happen all the time. Obviously, we all know that, but it happens quite a lot if you are somebody who is, you know, making Instacart your life. You gotta be the one glued to your phone. You gotta be the one up early every day. You gotta be the one ready to run it up every single day. And you will get fed like this eventually. Maybe not every day, but it does happen. And look, what a beautiful Sunday. Of course I could have kept going running it up. I could have hit 400 plus. This could have been a 400 plus day, maybe even a $500 day. I had a $500 day about 3 times, or maybe even 4 times in my whole time of doing Instacart. But yeah, anyways, guys, I mean, this is one of the reasons why I choose Instacart over a lot of the other gig type style or app, the multi-apping, which is cool. I think everybody out there, if you guys should be multi-apping and, you know, running it up the best you can. But for me, I make Instacart the main focus. And this is why, because I mean, there's really no other apps out there where you're gonna make $200 in 2 hours. Like, yeah, I don't see it happening. $100 an hour, I don't see any other app where you're actually gonna do that. And for those of you that did see the last video before I took it down because of that daggone music copyright stuff, whatever. Yeah, for those of you that did see the video, how to hustle be with the Instacart, how crazy it is when you actually run it up. Hey, look, and tomorrow, it's Monday, fresh start. It is Thanksgiving week. You guys, focus up, get up early tomorrow. That's why I'm dropping this video, really to just mainly like show you guys what just happened. And this was a Thanksgiving order. So y'all better be ready this week. Wake up early tomorrow, be ready, run it up this whole week, you know, and yeah, let's get it. Peace and love until the next one. I'm out.